Your convenience is our motivation, and so that you can conveniently control your own drive from PC and smartphone, you have the HWC. Using it is only a few clicks away. If you have set up the HWC as the base station on initial operation, it will emit its own independent network to which you connect. Select this and enter the network security key. This can be found on the HWC box. Now enter https:// and the device name of your HWC into the address bar of your internet browser. This can likewise be found on the HWC box. This takes you to the Bernal web application with which you can carry out all settings. The door to your HWC world will open up where you enter the username and password. You can find these for first login in the operating manual. Now select the desired language. One more click on the login symbol and you're in the menu. Several doors, users as well as handsets can be managed with one single HWC. Easy to navigate through the individual menu items. Set up as administrator, you have all rights and can now save the door to be administered via Door Configuration, Edit. Click on Add New Door. Use the graphical display on your drive to select the menu Radio Programming. By repeatedly pressing Enter, you will come to the Door menu. The drive then switches into programming mode. Click on Start and HWC and Door connect successfully with each other. Enter the door information and click on Save. The door will now be displayed for you and you can set up further settings. For example, you can give another person access to the door. To do this, change to the menu item User, click on Edit and Add User. Then fill in the account settings. Via the allocation of user access rights, you control the access options of the person added yourself. This is particularly practical for joint garage use by tenants or the management of several doors. Change to the menu Handset to store a handset for the door. To do this, click on Edit and Add Handset. As soon as it searches for the handset, press the first key on the handset. If the connection was successful, the handset will appear in the table of the web application. By clicking on the handset, you can rename it, allocate a user, and specify the function of the key. Don't forget to then click on Save. To program further keys, simply repeat the step. Click on Edit, Add New Handset or Key again, and press the desired key to be programmed on the handset. After successful connection, click on Edit again to specify the function of the key. To view the door status in compact form, call it up via the top bar in the menu. Here you will also find the button to successfully log out of the web application. By logging in with the user data, you will see all functions for which an access right has been allocated, as here with the lighting, for example. This can be switched on and off by clicking. The user has in addition the option of opening the door with a simple click from his PC. He can follow this procedure and at any time stop or reclose the door at a click. And all that without stepping outside. So that you and other users enjoy the convenience not only from your PC, but above all when you're already out and about, there is the practical Bernal app for tablet and smartphone. Open the app via the Bernal icon. Simply log in with your data as in the web application. By clicking on the search icon, the HWC address will insert itself. Now you can open and close the door and operate all other functions. The great thing about this, you can in addition see at a glance which functions have just been switched on or off and in what position the door is, and all that without having to have sight of the door. That is the sophistication of the convenience you experience.